Hi, hello. In the last videos, we covered the all type of topics. Now I am going to tell you how to do the scaling, how to adjust the scaling for the drawing. Okay. So here I have one plan with me. Now I want to convert it as a scale. I want to mention some scale to this Autocad drawing. So firstly, we want to know why we specify the scale, because here my plan have 42 feet by 32 feet, but we have only the A4 sheets is too small compared to this size. So for that, what we have to do, we have to mention the scale. Okay, when we mention the scale, then we can easily get our complete plan in single page. So it was a reason to mention the scale for any type of plan. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to do the scaling for the diagram or plan here. So once I want to show you so how to do it. So here to here I have the 32 feet. In the sense, it is in the scale of 1 is to 100. Okay, 1 is to 100 means it have exact dimensions. Okay, so I want to mention here. I'm offing my auto to adjust this. So here I want to specify the scale 1 is to 10. If we have the exact dimensions, then we have to specify the scale is 1 is to 100. When we are decrease the size, when we are going for scaling, in that case, what we have to do, we have to mention the scale value here. For example, so here I am taking a copy of this. So this is my plan. Now I want to double of this one. I want to show some better size. So I want to increase some, what, how can we say? So I want to show the diagram some large size, some clear and visible view. So for that, what I'm doing, I just go for scale SC enter. So we already know how to do the scale. Okay, here I'm giving the value of 2 enter. See, so initially we have 32. When we go with scale of 2, here we have the 64. Plan is same, everything is same, but here the dimension shows the value. How much is double or triple, so what type of scale you are using here. Okay, so when we go with the scale, we have to mention the same values what we did previously. So same dimensions we have to mention in our plan. In this case, what I am doing, so I want to select the dimension. I am going with control plus 1. Here, so we have the text scale, height, offset and same as well. So here we have the text scale. If in case, if I give the value of 2, see 128. If I go with 1 and same, I'm go with 0.2, go with 0.5 once again. So I want to go with 1 firstly and go with 0.5. See, so this is our scale part. So this is our dimensions. So our plan is show some huge size, but our dimension should be in the original only. Okay, so for that case only I'm using this table for showing the exact dimensions. Okay, so I want to do it for all of them. So in that, what I'm doing, I just go with match property. everything is same. The dimensions are changing. Now here what I am doing, I have to mention 1 is to 50, not 100, because it's not in the exact dimension. We did the scale of 2. If we go with scale of another 2, for example, I want to add more 2. See, this is our drawing. So one thing, this is our original one. First we go with 1 is to 50, means we apply scale 2. Again we give the more 2, means here we completely go with scale of 4. So scale of 4 means 100 by 4 kitna aa raha? 25. So here our scale is 1 is to 25. So I want to specify here 1 is to 25. The same process what I did previously here, control plus 1. So here mention the scale of, first I am going with 1. 1 means it shows some different, right? I am going with 5. So here it giving 64. If I go with 0.4, so I am going with 0.5 again. So 0.25. See, our scale is 25. Here I am specifying of text scale also 0.25. Here it shows the exact dimension. So it was the way how to adjust the scale in the plan. In some cases we measured inner dimensions of the rooms also. In that cases they will be changed similarly. So in that case what you have to do, just go with match property. First change any one of them and go with match property. Okay, like this. So like this we have to adjust the scale of the plan. Here, so scaling is most important in our drawing, because for every type of any type of plan we have to mention, must and should mention the scaling of the diagram. Okay, so like this we can do the scaling of it. And same process here, I drawn some plan, right? So I want to take the copy of this. I just go with scale of 4 directly. I am selecting this, giving SE for scale and give the value of 4. Means 4 means 25 scale I am giving here. See here our dimensions are changes. Is it or not? Yes, because here originally we have only 3 feet. See, our column size is 6 inches by 6 inches. But when I go with scaling, it's giving 2 feet means 4 full of the our dimension. So in that case what I am doing, go with match property, what we did previously same. I am choosing this one and match to our dimension. See, so it's too long, okay, it's too huge. So for that I just want to change one dimension here. After that match to remaining. So here I have the scale part. The scaling is 0.25. I'm closing this one. Okay, so 2 feet 6 inches. Let me check, is it correct or wrong? So 2 feet 6 inches, it's right only. So now I want to go with match property, MA end. Okay, directly select all the dimensions. See, like this we have to change our scaling for our plan or whatever diagram it will be. For every diagram, we should mention the scaling. Then only we have an idea. Okay, here we did some elevation section also, right? For even creating a grid also, we have to specify the scaling. The scaling is most important while drawing the what kind of diagram it will be. Okay, I think you can easily understand this topic. Okay, so if you want to increase it, go with positive values. If you want to decrease it, go with decimal values. So try it yourselves. If you have any doubt in this, just drop a message in the comment section. Thank you for your support and suggest to your friends to follow our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.